In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams. This tool is an essential part of enhancing your productivity and communication within Teams, whether you're on your desktop running Windows or Mac. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. You'll want to make sure that you have the application installed and that you're logged in. Once you're in, take a glance over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu is your main navigation tool within Teams. From here, you'll want to click on the chat icon. It's usually represented by a little speech bubble, so it should be easy to spot. Once you've clicked on the chat icon, you'll be presented with your recent conversations. If you're looking to continue a previous discussion, you can simply select an existing conversation from this list. However, if you're looking to start a brand new conversation, look towards the top of the window and click on the new chat icon, which is represented by an envelope or an icon. It's a straightforward way to initiate a new dialogue with your team members or colleagues. As you select or start a new chat, you'll see a large chat window open up in the center of your screen. At the bottom of this window is where you'll find your chat box. This is the area where you can type out your messages. It's generally equipped with additional features like emojis, attachments, or formatting options that enhance your communication and make it more effective. For example, you can bold important texts or add attachment files directly from your computer. Hopefully, this gives you a clear and concise understanding of how to navigate and use the chat function within Microsoft Teams. It's an incredibly powerful tool for fostering communication in your team, allowing for shared ideas, quick questions, or just checking in with your colleagues. Don't hesitate to explore some of the settings and features within the chat window to customize it to your liking and improve your efficiency. And there you have it. Accessing and utilizing the chat box in Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. With these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering chat in Teams and staying connected with your team, whether you're working in the office or remotely. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful guides. See you in the next